Okay, now that we've covered the layout options of the theme, let's look at the font options here. So when we go into the font section, we can see two panels here. First is the font embeds. So in here you can paste in the code that you get from embedding services like Google Fonts, like Adobe Fonts, or others. Whenever you get an embed code, that should go into the head section, the head element of your website. You can paste that in here. So just for demonstration purposes, let's use Google Fonts. Just gonna click here. So let's say I want maybe the font Roboto. Let me remove this here. So maybe I want Roboto for my headings. So in that case, I would maybe go and I would select the regular font type and maybe the bold one. So, and then maybe I would like the font family Lato as my body font. And for that, I'm gonna select the regular and maybe also the bold here. Okay, so now we got Roboto and we got Lato. And Google is giving me this embed code right here. I'm just gonna copy all of this. And I'm just gonna paste this right in here. And for now, this doesn't do anything because our theme still doesn't know where we want these fonts applied. So we're going to go back and we're going to go to the fonts panel. So, and right here we can see the main font family. And right now it's just using whatever UI sans serif font the operating system offers. However, since we want Lato as our body font, we can either copy this here and paste that right in here. What we can also do is also just write Lato right in front of this, and then if this for some reason wouldn't be available, it would fall back on these other ones. I'm just gonna throw this in. And you can already see our font has changed, so go back one more time. So this is how it looked before, and this is how it looks with Lato, little difference. And we'll do the same thing for the secondary font family that is used for the headings. So for that we said we want Roboto. I'm just gonna paste this in. We're gonna leave the mono font family out for now. This is comes in handy when we display blocks of code or pre-formatted text. So yeah, so now so you can see we're using Roboto for the secondary font family and Lato for the main. Yep, right here. So if we would inspect this, you can see right up there, this is Roboto font, and this is the Lato font. Let me close this out. Yeah, and that was already it. That's the whole font setup. How we can assign these fonts, we will discuss in the next videos. You can do that in the next sections here.